Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that can revitalize your indoor gardening experience, the HMVPL White Grow Lights for indoor plants. We stumbled upon this gem online, and if you're interested, we've added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the HMVPL White Grow Light? This is a full-spectrum indoor plant lamp designed to mimic sunlight, providing your plants with the essential light they need to thrive. With a powerful 20W COB plant light bulb, it emits a full spectrum of light ranging from 380 to 780 nanometers. This means it caters to all stages of plant growth, whether you're starting from seeds, nurturing seedlings, or encouraging flowering and fruiting. One of the standout features of this grow light is its ability to blend seamlessly with your home decor. Unlike typical grow lights that can be bulky or unattractive, this lamp serves as both a functional plant light and an elegant lighting fixture. Plus, it's designed to protect your eyes, making it a great addition to any room. Now, let's talk about the technology behind it. The HMVPL Grow Light is equipped with a COB aerospace aluminum bulb that not only enhances heat dissipation but is also sturdier than standard plant bulbs. This means you can expect longevity and reliability from your lighting solution. With a color rendering index (CRI) of up to 98+, your plants will appear more vivid and beautiful, making your indoor garden a true visual delight. Another practical feature is the built-in timer system, allowing you to set the light to operate on a 4, 8, or 12-hour cycle. This is especially handy for those who lead busy lives. With just one setup, the light will automatically turn on and off every day, taking the hassle out of maintaining your plant's light schedule. Just a quick tip: if you ever disconnect the power, you'll need to reset the timer. The design of the HMVPL Grow Light also accommodates various plant sizes, with a height adjustment feature that ranges from 16.5 to 75 inches. This makes it suitable for everything from small potted plants to tall, leafy greens. The lamp head is rotatable in 360 degrees, allowing you to direct the light exactly where it's needed, ensuring even coverage for your plants. Who is this product suitable for? If you're an indoor gardener, a plant enthusiast, or even someone who simply wants to brighten up their living space with greenery, this grow light is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those living in apartments with limited sunlight or anyone looking to extend their growing season. Practical use cases include cultivating herbs in your kitchen, growing succulents in your living room, or even nurturing a mini indoor vegetable garden. The flexibility and efficiency of this lamp mean that your plants can flourish no matter the season or weather outside. In summary, the HMVPL White Grow Lights for indoor plants combine advanced technology with practical design, making them an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their indoor gardening experience. With its full-spectrum light, durable construction, convenient timer, and versatile height adjustments, it truly caters to the needs of diverse plant types. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.